Okay, you'll need to get on the roof of your rig. Ours is a travel trailer, and I was surprised to find out that we actually have more than one vent. So if this happens, then you will need to, unfortunately, sounds kind of gross, but I needed to basically do a smell test. You'll get a faint smell, and that'll let you know that you're actually venting the correct pipe. Here are the tools. You'll see other videos where people have really specific tools. I'm using kind of stuff that we have also around the house. These Cutco shears get me through everything. This will be to scrape the die core. This hacksaw will be to cut through the pipe if we need to adjust it. And let's get ready. So here are 2 of the 3 pipes we have. Once again, I just pretty much did a smell test. It turns out this one is actually our black tank. So remove this. There's a little screw inside. I went ahead and loosened that already. Then you'll see what we're working with here. I can't stress enough how amazing these shears are. If you'd like a link to these, definitely hit the description. Right now, I'm using them to basically create a crease on top of the plastic and access these screws. It's working much better than the original scraper idea. Okay, so I have accessed all of the screws now. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, and let's get started. Okay, all the screws are out. Here's the moment of truth. This is the vent stack that is exposed. It actually is a good height. This is the base. The base goes over the vent stack. Next, there's a funnel piece. This funnel piece makes sure that any water that might get into the siphon vent actually goes into your pipe stack. And that goes like this. It's gonna go inside. But first, you need to actually attach it to the actual siphon vent, which is this funnel. And then it goes into the pipe. And there it is. Now all I need to do is screw in new holes and put the die core down to reseal once more. Do what you gotta do.